Hello everyone, again welcome. Today we are going to show you amazing felt craft ideas. And now we know exploring the benefits of felt craft. Felt craft made using soft and colorful felt fabric is not only a fun DIY art but also highly beneficial for creativity, brain development and emotional wellness. Felt craft allows endless designs, ornaments, animals, flowers, toys, decor, helping imagination bloom. Improve hand-eye coordination, cutting, stitching, and gluing small felt pieces improve fine motor control. Felt is often made from recycled fibers, promoting sustainability and mindfulness crafting. Easy to start, requires animals, materials, and suitable for all ages. Stress relief, soft textures and repetitive hand movement calm the mind and ease anxiety. Felt craft is an excellent creative learning activity for children. It's hand-on, safe, and growth promoting. Development and emotional benefits. Kids learn patience and focus as they complete each craft steps. Completing a felt project gives a strong sense of achievement. Children think about shapes, colors, and patterns to design their own creations. So, it's a encourage problem solving. Enhances sensory skills. The soft tactile feel of felt provides sensory stimulation and comfort. Promote teamwork and communication. Group felt activities help children learn cooperation and social skill. Felt craft beautifully allows reduces stress and anxiety, focus on the present moment, expressive healing. Colors, textures, and handmade art help express emotions non-verbally. Create inner joy. Making something by hand brings satisfaction and positive mental energy, encourages gratitude. Working with simple materials cultivates appreciation for creativity and simplicity. So these crafts are beneficial for you and for kids. Hope you enjoying these designs. We have explored some amazing and crafting ideas, very beautiful and amazing collection. Felt craft is one of the most heartwarming and imaginative art form where small pieces of colors felt turn into beautiful shapes, cute ornaments, toys, flowers, and festive decoration. But beyond its beauty, felt craft carries healing, educational, and mindful power, making it perfect for all age groups, especially kids. Creative expression unlocked. Felt craft gives you imagination a playground, whether it is handmade ornaments, X-Max decor on home accent piece. Each creation tells a personal story, mind-hand connection. The soft texture is of felt connects your thoughts to your hands, improving coordination, steadiness, and precision. Sustainability and recycling. Felt often comes from recycled fibers, teaching the value of using old materials, creativity, and making art both eco friendly and meaningful. Affordable joy. With just felt sheets, teaser, and glue, anyone can start. No expensive material need, just passion and imagination. Calming for your soul. The quiet process of cutting, shaping, and gluing bring peace, almost like meditation. It helps you slow down in the fast moving world. Felt craft benefits for kids. When children engage in felt craft, they are not just making art, they are building life skills. Every color choice, every cut, and every stitch line helps their brains grow stronger and their heart calmer. Kids learn color recognition, pattern design, and problem solving as they experiment with felt. Motor skills mastery. Handling small shapes sharpens fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Creative confidence. Emotional balance, teamwork, and sharing. Group felt activities like classroom or sibling projects teach patience, sharing, and kindness. Values that build a strong character. Screen free hands on fun. In an age of digital distractions, felt craft offers a mindful break. No screens, just imagination and creation. Felt craft is more than art. It's a practice of presence. When you are crafting, your mind becomes still, the world slows down, you breathe, you focus, and you create. Present moment awareness, reduce anxiety and overthinking, art as therapy, boost happiness hormones, spiritual simplicity. The joy of crafting by hand triggers dopamine, your brain's feel good chemical.